Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable live voicemail on iPhone. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and make sure to update your iOS version. And then scroll down until you see phone. Then just tap on phone. Once you are in your iPhone phone settings here, you will see this live voicemail. Tap on that. And now to enable live voicemail, just turn this live voicemail on and your live voicemail will be turned on. And here we can see when it's turned on, you will be able to view a transcript of an incoming voicemail in real time and answer the call before it ends. Calling and data rates may apply. So that's it. This is how we can enable live voicemail. And to see all of your voicemails, go to phone app and at the bottom right corner here you will find voicemail section. Just tap on that and here you will find all of your live voicemails. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.